Good morning, dear children. Dear children, this is your textbook of maths and the chapter name is subtraction. Already I explained this chapter, okay? Now, this is your textbook work. Take out your textbook, okay? Write today's date 25th of September 2020 and write here C.W. Okay? Now, making subtraction stories. Okay, understanding the meaning of subtraction, and you know the meaning of subtraction means taking away. Okay, now dear children, number A, look here, there are many children standing over here. Now count it, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but 2 of them are girls. Now look here, 1 2, 2 girls are here and others are boys. So how many are boys? 1 2 3 4 5, 5 boys and 2 girls are in the picture. So there are how many children? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 children are standing over here and 2 of them are girls and 5 are boys. So there are what? There are 5 boys. So we write the subtraction sentence, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So now we know the whole part. We know the whole part. Yes, we know the whole part, 7, and second part also we know. But we have to find, we know the first part and whole part. Now we have to find the second part of this subtraction sentence. Okay, so we read it as 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, means subtract. Subtraction means taking away. So we subtract 2 part from 7 whole to get 5 part. Subtract 2 from 7, the answer is 5. Okay, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Dear children, turn the page, write again C.W. and look here, number B. Some birds are sitting over here and we have to count how many are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 birds are sitting over here. Now dear children, among them 3 fly away. उसमें से कितने उड़ गए? 3. 1 2 3. How many are left here? Now let's count. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 birds are left. So we read the subtraction sentence, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Number C, this is a pond and 3 frogs on a leaf. They are sitting on a leaf. Okay, so no frogs hop away. अब किसी को भी उसमें से पॉन्ड में जंप नहीं करना है. So there are still 3 frogs on the leaf. Dear children, 3 frogs, yes, but they don't want to jump in the pond. तो 3 माइनस, किसी को भी नहीं जंप करना तो कितना? 0 जा रहा है उसमें से. So if we subtract 0 from any number, so we get the number itself. So 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Dear children, see next. Fill in the blanks missing the numbers. Now this is a picture. Now count how many butterflies are here. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 butterflies are. So there are how many butterflies? 5. Right here 5. Okay. So how many flies away? 1. उसमें से कितनी उड़ गई है? Only 1. So how many are left? Now let's count. 1 2 3 4 are left. 4 butterflies are left. Dear children, 5 minus 1 is equal to how many? 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now come on the next page, page number 37, and the question over here, number B. Some kittens are here. Okay, so let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are how many kittens? 6. Right here, 6. But how many have short tails? इसमें से कितनों को short tails है? 1, 2. Short tails means छोटी पूंछ. कितनों को है? 1, 2. So 2 are having short tails. 2. Now how many are having long tails? अब जो बच्ची है, how many are left and they are having long tails? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 kittens have long tails. 4. So dear children, what is the subtraction sentence over here? 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Yes or no? Now next. Now number A. Now some fruits are in the picture. So let's count how many are total fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total fruits are 9. 9. And but some are mango and some are strawberries. So how many are strawberries? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 strawberries are here. So 9 minus 3 is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3 strawberries are here? Yes. So how many are mango here? Mangoes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Is equal to 6. Now dear children, number B question. Some birds are flying over here. So how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6 birds are here. All they are flying. Okay. So how many are left on the sea? Nothing. No objects. When we subtract any number from same number, we will get 0. हाँ मैदी, हमारे पास 5 चॉकलेट है, वो पूरे 5 चॉकलेट्स हम अपने मम्मा को दे देते हैं. हाउ मेनी आर लेफ्ट विथ यू? नथिंग. नो ऑब्जेक्ट. सो 6 minus 6 सभी उड़ रहे हैं. Nothing is here. So how many are left? 0. Now dear children, come on, practice number 1. Right here, this is homework for you. And what you have to do? Make up 2 stories for each subtraction sentence. आपको इसके लिए 2 stories बनानी है. Dear children, this is a pond and some children are swimming in the pond and some are standing over here. So how many total students are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But 3 of them are girls. Look here. 1, 2 and 3. 3 are girls and others are boys. So you have to complete number story here. Okay. So there are 7 children. Total 7 children and 3 of them are girls. Yes or no? So 7 minus 3 is equal to what? 4. Second story. Total 7 children are here. But how many are in the pond? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many are standing here? 2. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Right over here. Okay. Dear students, turn the page. Write again C dot W dot. See, subtraction with number bonds. You know the number bond. Okay. In addition, we know the 2 parts. Okay. And we have to find in addition the whole number, the total number. But in subtraction, we know the whole part and the first part of the subtraction sentence, and we have to find second part of the what? Subtraction sentence. Now dear children, number A, see number A. How many keys are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some are in the what? Some are in the bunch. Okay. So total keys 6. 2 are not in the bunch. Okay. and 4 are in the bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 are not in the bunch. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now, we can do this sum in two ways. Okay. Now, total keys are 6. 4 are in the bunch. 2 are not. Here we know the whole part. Yes. We know the second part and we have to find the first part. Here we know the whole part, first part. Okay, and we find out second part. Now this is a what? This is a number bond. Whole number we know. First part we know. We have to find the second part. Okay. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? In second sentence, what is there? 6 minus 4, second part. Yes or no? And we have to find in the sum first part. Yes or no? So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 2 and 4 make 6. Make 6. Now dear children, this is B, C and D are homework for you. Write H dot W dot. Okay. These are the subtraction sentence and these are the number bond. Okay. So you have to solve this subtraction sentences and the number bond. Turn the page, dear children. Write again H dot W dot. Okay. You have to solve this subtraction sentence. Okay. Now come on. Fill in the missing numbers. The boy here and with him some balloons are here. Okay. Let's count how many are there. Total balloons we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But 2 are what? They fly away. अब उसमें से 2 उड़ गए, उड़ रहे हैं. Yes or no? So how many are left? How many balloons are left? 6. Total balloons are 6 and 2 are उसके पास से तो उड़ गए वो. So how many are left? Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 are left. How many balloons are left? 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now this is a number bond. Okay. We know the whole number, total number. We know the first part and we have to find the second part of this addition sentence. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Dear children, next is number B. So here 2 girls, Sana and Radha, are sitting over here and they are playing with toy trucks. Dear children, 5 trucks belong to Radha. इसमें से 5 ट्रक्स किसके हैं? राधा के हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and rest belongs to Sana. बाकी की जो है वो सना के हैं. So how many toy trucks does Sana have? अब इसमें से जितने बचेंगे वो सना के होंगे. Yes or no? So 8 total trucks are 8 and 5 of them. Okay. So 8 में से 5 trucks belongs to Radha. How many are left? So how many toy trucks does Sana have? 1, 2, 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So Sana has how many trucks? Sana has 3 toy trucks. Now we know the whole number, total number. We know the first part and we have to find the second part. Means 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Dear children, complete your work in your textbook and send it to me on my number for checking. Thank you, dear children. Bye.